Welcome back. On this Thursday afternoon, we have our first severe thunderstorm warning to tell you about. This includes portions of Ionia County down into Clinton and Eaton counties. That's going to be going until 4:45 today. As you can see, that storm is presenting the chance of some damaging winds and also some hail up to about an inch in diameter. So we are continuing to watch that as it travels to the east toward Lansing. You can also find that we have a very powerful area of thunderstorms, which is continuing to move through the Chicagoland area right now. Possibility of some 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts associated with that. We're also seeing some limited development as you move up and down the lake shore with a few showers here and there, but nothing that's really presented much of an issue just yet. There's also one isolated storm in northwestern Calhoun County near Battle Creek that's dropping some heavy rain. Not quite as organized as the storm further north, but that bears keeping an eye on as well. Let's jump ahead here and take a look at Storm Track Live on the broader view. You can see that this is in association with a cold front cutting in from northwest to southeast. And again, that's going to present that chance of storms as we continue on through tonight. We do have a slight risk of severe weather for much of West Michigan. And again, it looks like the possibility of having damaging winds in particular. Going to Futurecast here, it shows that we will have some additional storms stirred up by the passage of that cold front. As we get towards 7 o'clock tonight, you can see that those are mainly going to be favoring points near and south of I-94 as we get into the later stages of that threat. 10 o'clock tonight, we have our severe thunderstorm watch expire. And then it looks like as we go into tomorrow morning, there will still be a chance of a few pop-up showers, but by that point we should start to see things wind down. Getting into tomorrow afternoon, it looks like we'll have a few breaks in the clouds before the next round of rain looks to enter on Saturday, which could be pretty formidable. Here's a look outside in Grand Rapids. It shows that we have a little sunshine continuing to crack through the clouds. Temperatures are hot. 94 degrees Kalamazoo, 91 in Allegan. It is 86 in Greenville, and there's a ton of humidity still also. Our dew points are between about 70 and 75 degrees for most locations. That's yielding a heat index value of 100. That's what it actually feels like when you step outside in Ionia. 102 in Kalamazoo, 104 degrees in Benton Harbor. So one of the hottest days of the summer. That heat advisory carries on until 8 o'clock tonight. Stepping into the weekend, it looks like we cool things off a touch. 83 degrees on Saturday with some more rounds of rain and thunderstorms likely. And then as we proceed into Sunday, it looks like our temperature will heat back up to 87 with a mix of sun and clouds. It should be rather warm as the wind is steered in from the southeast between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Here's a peek ahead then at the 8-day forecast. There is still a chance at holding on to some showers and storms on Friday. The temperature dropping to 86, so it won't be quite as blazing hot outside. And it looks like most of the activity as far as showers and storms is concerned is going to be focused further south. As we get into Saturday, you can see that we have a good chance at some widespread rain happening. Sunday, 87, partly cloudy, mostly sunny, hot again on Monday. And after that, it looks like we slowly work in some cooler air over the course of next week, even falling into the upper 70s next Friday. Rick?